Hi everyone. Are you ready to learn G major scale? I think so. Okay, so our tempo marking is going to be 70 beats per minute. We will be playing G major scale 2 octaves, ascending and descending, using a rhythm pattern of quarter notes and then eighth notes. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, ready, and. How'd you do? Please let me know in the comments below. If you have questions, share them there as well. Again, if you are just learning the scale, please feel free to pause the video, rewind, watch it again, fast forward to the rhythm pattern that you want to practice or need help in the most. This video is for you, so go ahead and use it. All right, as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the Urban Flautistas channel, and please make sure to have fun while learning.